Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and it's nice to be back on YouTube. Today's video is going to be something fun and exciting. It's related to these bad boys. So recently I have been really into nails and I've come across many advertisements on Facebook, Instagram, you know, it was floating around, and I thought I wanted to give it a try myself. And because everyone's in quarantine and not much stores are open to do your nails, these nails are very convenient and efficient, and it's not that expensive, you know. These nails are a lifesaver. If you cannot go to a nail salon to get your nails done, these will be amazing. So these nails are by Lejoi. I purchased two colors myself, and the two were sent by them because they were so sweet. They know that I make YouTube videos and they want me to make a video that just shows you guys how it's done, and I thought, what an awesome opportunity. I was gonna make a video anyways, but they were nice enough to send me two more, so thank you guys so much for sending. So, as I said, the brand that sent me these nails are called Lejoi. They're a company from Melbourne and they make these nails that are just stick on, and it's very easy. Yeah, so I'm going to insert the video where I teach you guys how I put these nails on. So we have some matte and we also have some shiny nails as well. So the first one we have over here is called Empress. It's a shiny red color, very cute and bold color. This one is called Camo and it's a matte nude color, very sleek. Now we have my favorite nails called Summer Snow, beautiful white nails. So these are the camo nails. They come in the nails, of course. It comes with the adhesive tapes and a nail filer. So what you want to do first is to match each nail to your own nail, because there are multiple sizes and you want to find the one that is most fitting. Generally with the thumb they come with 3 different sizes, just so you can check the number behind. All the nail numbers are the same with different colors, so you don't need to worry about finding them again. So now that I've got my nails sizes, I will start aligning the adhesive tapes to my nails. So once you find the right ones, you just stick it on and you remove the plastic cover, which will allow the adhesive tape to stick onto your nails. What you have to do is just pick up your nails and just plop it on. And just make sure to press it so everything is secured and tight. Okay, so now once you got all your nails on, what you can do is either leave them as is, or if you want to change up the shape, you can file down the nails. So what my typical look is the oval look rather than this type of coffin look. So I'm just filing down the edges and just curving it out. So once these nails are done, I generally don't wet them for a whole hour, only because I want the adhesive tape to stick onto the nails and just make sure that it is longer lasting. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!